Welcome, everyone! Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of life itself, a journey that begins with something as simple yet profound as a single drop of water. Imagine, if you will, that moment when a microscopic cell comes to life, setting off a chain reaction that leads to the formation of a complete human being. It's a miracle that unfolds under the watchful eye of a higher power, a testament to the wonders of creation. As this tiny cell divides, it transforms into a complex organism, and the heart begins to form. Can you fathom the beauty of a heart that beats tirelessly, over 100,000 times a day, without needing a battery? This heart, a symbol of life, pumps blood through our veins, sustaining us with every beat. It's a rhythm that connects us to the essence of existence, a reminder of the intricate design behind our being. Then there are our eyes. These remarkable organs develop and open to the world, allowing us to experience the vibrant colors and breathtaking sights around us. Each blink is a dance, a gentle flutter that brings light into our lives. The ability to see, to perceive the beauty of nature, the smiles of loved ones, and the wonders of the universe is nothing short of extraordinary. Subhanallah, how can we not marvel at this? And let's not forget the kidneys, those unsung heroes working tirelessly to filter our blood every moment of our lives. They ensure that our bodies remain balanced and healthy, a silent yet vital function that we often take for granted. The complexity of our bodies, from the smallest cell to the most intricate organ, is a reminder of the delicate balance of life. As we reflect on this miraculous process, it's essential to appreciate the interconnectedness of all these elements. Each part plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of life, reminding us that we are not just individuals but part of a larger, beautiful creation. So, the next time you pause to consider the wonders of life, remember the journey that began with a single drop of water. Embrace the awe and gratitude for the life you lead, the experiences you cherish, and the connections you make. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of life's marvels. If you found this journey as inspiring as I did, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, keep marveling at the beauty around you.